ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like a comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for by 2 days near and Ghana Journalists Association GJA hosti annual event bia omudi rewarding crowfor omoye outstanding our journalism landscape nimo. Na no krenya me I met already I have a lot of issues with that association, Ghana Journalists Association. That notwithstanding all the issues I have with them, no. If the members are okay with how things are run at the association, send me the information because me a journalist, me a pharmacologist, and maybe as I say because we pharmacology and I say on mine the drugs we are using and all those things, I will be much concerned. But journalists for us today, me no money assembly. Now at that event, you know, and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, our main speaker, Eka say, no journalist will be in prison under his watch for maybe reporting on a story or something. Now, under his watch, you know, there's not going to be any culture of silence. Now, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Okas Asemuno, now feel say, and I said, I dream say, or throw shade to NPP government. But you see, one thing that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, any NDC for, say, say, the records are there to vindicate MPP. Now, it is going to, it is 3 years, John Mahama, abayenemono, ebeye record versus propaganda. Now, record versus propaganda, so omujina hodie, record will always diffuse propaganda. There is no way His Excellency John Mahama, even this past 11 months, near see our mind we mu, onti make us say there is no culture of silence in this country. For the first time, journalists, media houses are not able to report fair news. There be, onti say sometimes some of the strong media houses are any more country we mu no. Their titles, their captions, all across are the same. Just say as a be or presidency honum or topic caption now I forward it to all the media houses. So they all release the same thing. And then number one. Number two. Now people who are innocent, Nkofobia now kika margin of social media so to say Yairamo, to say fancy comedy mu arrested and persecuted just within the 11 months of John Mahama. Say Obama Pokwase, online activists, Okanajin, his belief, what he thinks about whatever is going on. 8 years of Akufo Addo, nobody even knew how Say Obama Pokwase looked like. Within 11 months of John Mahama, arrested. I mean, the done, right? Seized his phones for several months. It was just about last week that they released the phones to him. Moving away from Sir Obama Pokwase, we were all here when they were doing demolition for our MacDan, ni structure B. I was Sprinters whole baby. When the demolition was ongoing, say so-called national security for the year, journalists no any nipa no more interview no site no say live on TV how they were being lashed. And several other things are just 11 months. And His Excellency John Mahama, 11 months wait there, a ban of freedom of speech and of the media there will record F9, a very porous. So we don't need you to come again and come and try to tell best sugar coatings and semen and all those. There be it won't wash any juma and any juma china. Because the record will always be there to diffuse the propaganda. Let's go and hear what people have to say about what the statement John Mahama made. Is culture of silence in effect Ghana? And I say, do you think John Mahama has a better record than Akufo Addo? Remember, Akufo Addo never repeal criminal libel law. Akufo Addo also need the right to information. Bye. And what? Well, let me know in the comment section. Bye. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere.
in Ghana. Now, na Oma, you see, I mean, as a normal Ghanaian, sometimes I find our situation so pathetic. I had that Ghana no. Yenshada yenyi abotar the power of observation yenni bi. We only play by words. Inti say you be na maybe you are incorrigible. Wo wenyu mbo dwe. Sesi bibia wo beja wo mebuko ekegine bia be di akohwi. Anaso there you will deceive the people. You will continue to do it over and over until one day bia bibi ansanu kofu bibre we hu. So all this while this man has been lying. President Mahama, it's about time man kobeyanka ombugana for kaka. I mean, that's how I put it. Mr. Mahama ombugana for. Share if you Google right now press freedom in Ghana. Even AI will tell you, I say, Ghana guarantees press freedom in the constitution, which has resulted in a vibrant media landscape with journalists investigating corruption. However, concerns about the erosion of press freedom exist. However, concerns about the erosion of press freedom exist due to a rise in journalist arrest, intimidations, and the use of archaic laws like Section 208 of the Criminal Offences Act to silence critics. The Right to Information Act of 2019 also include provision. So, if one kasa ebedi, for the first time in our history, akatam sika di once a war position, you were able to buy all the media houses. She insults, she lies. In that Nakoyo Nasem. Nakoyo was interviewed by a journalist. They conspired to do all of these things. Akufo Addo akwachirobiatuma. Akufo Addo akwachirobiatu. She wo Sam George, she Twitter, nyama weye wo ho, she Facebook. What to happen we mo me beara? Nebo chesika tutuidi to reward the journalist who played the ball with you. Nde all the major opposition networks, you have clamped them down. And then a voice or a boomer FM was about sometimes insignificant radio stations are worry when they do. Mr. Mahama be able close in down. Even one to me, for journalists, I will share there. Infaradinti, inferobia. You are rather going to deep in. What is that? Ye nyimi nyansa. Ghana funi nyimi nyansa. Because Ghana no, the one no kasam pe na yehwe. Won ye ne de yenhwe. Yen hu ne hwe kra. Hwe social media fumpo ekwan adon refo. Normal people, two ladies was wo Kumasi as we speak. We chu wana dia. Even akoyo okasa no de na so me wo fan dem. Fanti comedy. Dama brenti ba sam no kanya masisi still wo chu na de wo court no. Shakawa mo from a robot just because yenya president adikiti. You are using disproportionate power to intimidate everybody, including innocent Ghanaians. On TikTok na work kan wadwen keke. Na inferadi in the journalist Pepper Ben or Ghana otum on match up to you. Nyama warrior. Journalist Pepper Ben. Journalist Pepper Ben or Ghana and the ade kwame sefa kan kra ma yama kana no atu. Kwame sefa kan po ma yama kana no atu. Sho oketechi o started ori ye nyama keke. Hwe nyama wodini fom. In the networking ye. Aden. If you are infaradinti ne twa ne begino ho. You will be the president. I'm a press freedom. NDC freedom and I press freedom. Sisiara, and the Obiaro to Makaso Chena dream on Tenagana ho, Chido Wabruchi. Obiaro to Ochena dream power gun on Tegano ho, Chido Wabruchi. In Tiba press freedom, Naracano. I have a press freedom. Na Ghana Funankasa no me hu debia me hu Ghanaians our psyche me hu what has happened to our mentality. What has happened to us? That critical thinking or a major issue in Ghana. Even observation is an issue in Ghana. Na sanya dem no tia. Nchehwa Akufo Addo. Wo friend na Bukadnet hwanyama wode ye. Esu anda. Ono no. Hwanyama mu NDC for ye. I've seen a video NDC bi lady. She was crying out there, President Mahama, stop what you are doing. Na ye mu binum kasa ye kasa even and Akufo Addo. Wanya ya no hwe. Nda wo abredu no. Obiara everybody is scared. Obiara suru. Na ye pobi mo abaka chen press freedom ho a also the same person na erka yan kasa bo hye yem no awona abaka chen de ade ye Ghana fo no ye jinjima ama na ye jinjima ama no nyono bia asofo na wo Ghana no sabe wataba ama no ahemfo wataba ama no na journalist fo wataba ama no ende court fo no nyina wataba ama no biara wo Ghana ho biara he has been able to turn them into stooges when nyina they have been dazed obi anyo anenyo da ho nti mo ba yan oye bibia wi as usual or the nano fanfa or the abaka no we are we ketu ni opponent wa na jude shum mo wo pe bia wo da ye ho no we are de chia wa basere wa kire hende oh Ghana for the sabi we jim onyim yansa nti ikuon no mpo a ade chia na ide boko ho na yi ase na akasero na come on peanuts. That is all that they deserve. Sanya dem not here.
If nyama ba ku mienu bi ho no play a very key role in 2024 elections no. Na ebra me ye akola no. So obi di asem to me so a more times na nhyɛ da nyame ya. Ya say makoy ya de bi na me nye ya na enyame ya. Ba me nyi na me hu se ye di asem to so na we nya ho kwan enyi ho anu yi a e affect your life. Ti nyina ye nhye no so se obi di bi betu ye so na ye betimi eyi ho anu a. Nyama mode ani yi ho anu. Evi ya ye constituency ya say nsemi a ye de to ye former MP e mi rafede oben Adom ho a one way or the other no yentimi enyi ho anu ma ye ho antintino e affect in an elections I call it 2024 and ye lose that seat no seat a win here for the first time in the history of a year Upper West Achim elections no. So far as elections are concerned ye lose that seat no ti ye ma me koyo ade ama me ne it was a deliberate attempt and NDC ye go 2024 elections no. One of their arsenals almost through you know was to misinform people and to benefit from that misinformations and it worked perfectly for them. Some we share strategy or mounting a dia or say even D-Day interviews or granted across the media space led by media general for TV3 and other people now. E ka ho bi na yama me how commission dey lose that elections no na ne report na aba be reveal say maame no ono wa say that day na oni ho a now it's up to us say yen capitalize on that statement na aba out no na yen timi wo hye maame how commission me dey me nka say for that position again but whatever that maame no be ko bia so that at least ni din ho bete it go to some time Mame no opie ko baby kra na obi be na the bonne nobody felt for her because of say na feel say she's so violent in the sense say she deserved whatever that will come on her even here ko ye rerun na and some police stations say wo ablekuma ho baby we saw what happens to the lady all because of say now there was a perception say she is a violent person so when people act violently against her it is normal. Nti maame ne de the rate no lies in your maame how akumsin so obe take the matter na app say obe siu and yenim say enne ya me ne wo ka say e bia o siu no kra na yenim outcome a ebe fi law court one ma ba because already in the court is already packed your papa can say oba be balance oba be reset court no and panso oba yi appointment all year no kire say botayo de ba no ogusu a odi hunduma nti ye ma me call yo de ono ne boni a odi o constituency ni mu no me bom pa ye se onko ne se ya se okko ne se ya obia sebi obia enku no ono aba koku no ho ono aba akosɛ no ho ono ane party for kasa ahye wo ne constituency ne mpotem no ne party for bi no mu yɛ nanfofo NDC fo Kasua and NEC around Kasua no ye won nanfo bi wom kasa and sa acting way sane ya kasa ma obiye hin no eno na ofem no do win in the primaries owie no ofi say eno no beboa no na o dey win general election and ampanso so o dey aye adwuma for the past a series of elections na amano opportunity ne all serve wo yenhwe ne obetimi aye sane de bi aye ka no ye say crime has no expire. Nyame ya adom inshallah ye say 2028 and above no. Yebe form government. And these are some of the issues we will recall and tell people that will be in power say they should pursue such cases because they are cases a public interest so far as Ghana elections are concerned. And ya many will say you call an elections na obi facing issues, crisis. Our elections, so now the person is crying. Nobody will mind him or her because in politics, because politicians no. Now call you off only maybe that very day, the person is crying genuinely. So what you say? And a bad precedents set it as political actors. So mami when why sao or chinabino bia obi esu na ne sunu ye esu a esu kan ye be refer previously asama esipen na aka say enye hwe akoye say me teacher baako Mr. Boedi o say ne mate baako na there was a naked wire bia na ewo omo what do you call omo fan ceiling fan ho ewo omo dormitory inti guy we okodware ba bia odin say say o dey call that naked wire no ho na o team say light shock me obia di America beba na say me dada mo the day a light ni shock him man no and I say student no na down for no na ye rare electric shock no o tie mu no obia mfie no ye fi say odi agro bio so yem politics no ye ni say emmoa ye nyina emfa ho say ugina and I say we be such characters no don't shouldn't have gotten opportunity to serve this nation. Nande nipa omukwa in parliament. How do you even assess them? Sika. Now you are lucky enough. Now party no ewo upper hand was such constituencies in this one. People end up in parliament. They don't even know what they are supposed to be doing over there. And then say recently, Oko parliament. Even omo super majority, they are finding it difficult to mobilize their own people in the chamber to execute their government business. So because of said they want to be in parliament, all of a sudden they are there. So they don't find themselves comfortable in where they've gotten themselves now. History and I say hands out of social media to capture that statement at their two or chinebi. Even if this government, you need to say, oh my so my program, oh my na at the honor hands out of social media should capture that statement, and put it down for us. Nyame Adom na nyame dom ya na oma hentumi we will revisit this case. Na nipa bia asotwe bi safata o bia na enkoma. Ye ma me ha okubi se nyame ma no akoma kan nyame ma na ahoden na adwen owo ma ne constituent ne MPP as a whole. Na ontimi nyama me da se.
Oh, okay. Me da say. Mr. Marcus, me patro word bi na boy no san bo bi won na me fa meaning nembra.
Pseudologia fantastica.
Yes, pseudologia fantastica. Fact based de be eba yesua bibi fufuro. Also known as a pathological lying or mythomania. It's a psychological phenomenon